Burmese tofu. You just get your lentils. You could also use chickpeas, add boiling water, let it soak for a few hours. Add salt to help it to set. Cook it down till thick. And then you add it into a dish and spread it all out and then leave it to cool and put it in the fridge overnight. Comes out of the fridge and it's easily made into cubes, just like you would make tofu. And then whatever you want to do with it, you can then do with it similar to what you do with tofu, but it's not made out of soya. There it is. Woo! I'm going to freeze some or save some for later. Then I'm going to season up this anyhow you want to season it. I've got curry powder, onion powder, soy sauce, garlic. I'm going to add some chilies in there, hot chilies in there. My children like hot things. Garlic powder, and I'm going to fry it in a wok. Look at that. That's delicious. Add some onions, then some mushrooms, a little bit of veg, and that is a snack for the kids. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That is nice. Sesame oil. Try this if you don't like tofu. Are you subscribed? Are you following? What's going on?